In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add captions to Loom videos. Captions make your content more accessible, easier to follow in noisy environments, and clearer for viewers who prefer reading along. Let's walk through the process from start to finish so you can confidently add, refine, and share captions on any Loom video. First, either record a new video with Loom or upload an existing file from your computer. If you're recording, speak clearly and keep background noise to a minimum. The cleaner your audio, the better your captions will be. Remember that captions become available after the video is saved, so give Loom a moment to finish uploading and processing once you stop recording. Next, open your Loom dashboard and select the video you want to work on. This takes you to the video page where you can manage settings and make edits. If you have many videos, use the search bar or filters to find the right one quickly. Now enable captions. Look for a captions or CC option on the video page. Depending on your account, captions may appear automatically. If they don't, choose the option to generate captions. Loom will analyze the audio track and begin creating timed text for you. If you see a language selector, make sure it matches the language spoken in your video for the most accurate results. Give Loom a moment to process. This typically takes anywhere from a few seconds to a minute, depending on the length of your recording. You can stay on the page and watch the progress, or get ready for the next step. Once captions are generated, open the caption editor to review and polish them. Play the video and follow along with the text, fixing any spelling errors, misheard words, or awkward phrasing. Add punctuation where it improves readability, especially for pauses, lists, and complete sentences. Double-check names, product terms, numbers, and acronyms so they appear exactly as you intend. Small edits here make a big difference in clarity and viewer satisfaction. When you're ready to preview, use the CC button while watching the video to toggle captions on and off. This is exactly how your viewers will experience them. So confirm that timing, line breaks, and readability look good at normal playback speed. Finally, share your video by copying the Loom link and sending it to your audience. Viewers can turn captions on or off on their end, so consider mentioning that captions are available when you share. That's it. Record or upload, open the video, enable captions, wait for processing, edit for accuracy, preview with the CC toggle, and share. Thanks for watching and happy captioning.